Introducing smart IoT-enabled Godrej air conditioners. Switch my AC on. Smartphone and voice enabled. Need to adjust the temperature. Feeling stuffy? Adjust the fan speed. Need cooling at all corners of the room? Turn on the swing mode. Maintain the air quality and your AC. Monitor filter condition. Control your AC from wherever you are. Schedule your AC operation from anywhere. Worried about the electricity bill? Track your AC power consumption from anywhere. Choose from 5-in-1 convert cooling. Take care of your AC from wherever you are. Smart diagnosis and smart service support. Share AC controls with your family. Select from multiple modes. Cooling at your command with smart IoT-enabled Godrej air conditioners. Godrej appliances, things made thoughtfully.